Today we are going to do light colored wash in Arçelik 4500. Here's the machine. And I want to briefly talk about this machine because I really like this machine generally, but it has also some features that I don't like. The mechanical part of this machine you can see is resembling the Siemens, the older Siemens models, the drawer, the cabinet, door seal, and the tumble, not tumble, I mean gasket and other stuff like the door glass, etc. But the electronic parts are Turkish made. Here are the programs. Let's start with here. That's the cotton side of the program dial. The pre-wash, main wash, rinses, 3 rinses, and final spin. And here's the synthetics, pre-wash, main wash, 2 rinses only, rinse salt and final spin. And here's the woolens, 3 rinses again, rinse salt with final woolen spin. And here's a separate drain program. There's the cold, the temperature dial. This is the cold, that's the click. So 30, 40, 50, 60, and up to 95. So you have 5 options with this machine. It has eco wash, half load, fast wash, rinse salt, only for synthetic and woolen side, and slower spin, as you can see, 1100 to 700, only for the cottons, because the 1100 available only on cottons. So I want to briefly talk about these 2 options. The half load basically make it take less water, but here in the dial, that's the start of the wash. With 1 click, machine tumbles once only, and the second click is taking the hot water if you select above the click, I mean. And here's the main wash part. The machine starts heating here. So, and if you select eco, machine, the controller will stop here. Normally it doesn't stop, it's wash a little bit, then clicks directly. But here it stays a bit more, so you have approximately 15 more minutes wash for the wash. And the second click is normally if you do not select anything, machine will wash like 15 minutes longer, but if you press this, it will make it fast, like the reduced wash time in here for like 15 minutes. And here is the final wash part. This here is the cool down part. First spin after this spin after the wash. First rinse, spin after the intermittent spin. Second rinse, spin. The final rinse, the machine takes a little bit water, then it adds up here the softener, then the final spin. All the intermediate spins are 3 bursts with 700, and gradually the machine increases the speed gradually. And we have in this program the cotton final spin, the C program C. Machine does the same 3 bursts, then the final part is like the first, not the burst, but the 4th spin is like the machine stays at 700 for 4 minutes, approximately. Then it ramps up when it clicks here. It ramps up like 1000 RPM for 20 seconds. Then it goes up to 1100 and stays at there about 20 seconds as well. So I don't like that because it doesn't give good spin. Like it stays a really short time at 1100. So clothes are not really spun to me at like at 1100. But it's okay if you don't have a dryer. You will not be affected so much. So it has a 55 liters drum, which is like nowadays we have 7 or 8 kilogram machines at 55 liters. It has a really big drum and it has really big bearings inside, like bigger than the normal 7 or 8 kilograms that we have today. So it has a nice big door here to access pump. I will put this to make it vibrate. There's the pump. You can access everything here, and with the back door it's all can be opened like completely. It is also nice design to me. It doesn't have springs. It has 4 leg type shock absorbers, like here and the back, and it has one more here, the 5th shock absorber, which is the classic what we know, what we have in all the machines. So it has 5 shock absorbers but doesn't have any springs. So it's a bit, the vibration is not like it's not really bad, but I mean I don't know, it's nice. No, it doesn't like walk or anything or vibrate like crazy. The one of the design problem with this machine is that you don't have a gap here like you should have, because the steam comes to